Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the active demon doll from the Friday Night Funkin mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the top of the head with a curve. And now on the left side, let's draw the ear. Let's step in and draw a curve up, and then back down. Now let's move over to the right side, and before we add the ear, let's draw the bow. Let's draw a curve over on the right, and then back in for the left side of the bow. And then let's add the center with a square shape. And now the right side, angled down like this. And now to finish off the bow, let's add a line in the left side and two on the right. You should end up with a bow on an angle like this. Now let's hop up above the bow and draw the other ear. And now following that same line under the bow, let's draw a line down and curve it in. And now let's move over to the left and draw the other side of the head with a curve like this. And then let's close off the shape of the head at the bottom. And that's it for the shape of the head. Let's move in and draw the face next. We'll start in the top left and we're going to draw a line over and then down. And then a curved point below it for the top of the mouth here. Next, let's add the mouth. Underneath, let's draw a curve down to the bottom of the face. And then next to it, a curve down and over. Next, let's continue that line over to the right and back up into the bow. And then next, underneath the center of the bow, let's draw one more curve for the top of the mouth. Now let's move down underneath on the right and draw one more curve to close off the shape of the mouth. Now let's move in and add the details. Inside the mouth on the left, let's draw a curve here. And then let's color that section in black. And then let's thicken up the right side. Next, on the left side, let's draw a point up and back down. And now let's thicken this line up. Next, on the right, let's draw an extra curve down and then a zigzag over. And then let's thicken this line as well. Next, let's add the eyes. We'll start with the left one with a large circle. And now the right eye with an angled oval. And let's color both eyes in black. And lastly, let's add the nose with a triangle shape here. And that's it for the head. Let's move down and draw the body next. Let's start with the left arm. Underneath the head, let's draw 2 diagonal lines down. And then close off the bottom of the sleeve. Next, let's add the hand. On the top left, let's draw a curve. And then a curved rectangle shape to close off the hand. Next, let's move back under the head and we're going to draw an angled line down, curve it over to the arm, and then back up into the arm. And then on the right, let's add one more diagonal. Next, let's move down and draw the left foot with a large rounded shape. And now let's draw the right leg. From the side of her body, let's draw a line out to the right and then curve it down. And then at the bottom, a straight line into the other foot. And now inside, let's add 2 curved lines. And lastly, above the leg, let's add a curve for her other arm. And that's it for this Hello Kitty doll. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!